Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am sharing with you one of our favorite side dishes that I do not serve very often, but when I do, I like to serve it alongside of ham. So come along. For this dish you will need some potatoes. I will have the recipe linked down below. I have peeled mine already. Butter, garlic, cut up onions, salt, flour, shredded sharp cheese or medium cheddar, and some milk. Now I will be using this I think it's called julienne cutter from Pampered Chef to cut my potatoes. I always forget how to use this, so it takes me a couple tries to remember the steps. Once all my potatoes are thinly sliced, I just transfer them to a bowl, let them sit there while I get my baking dish prepared. I am making this in my Pampered Chef rectangular stone, and I add some olive oil to it so it doesn't stick. Now you can layer your potatoes with one layer of potatoes, one layer of the sauce that you're gonna make, but I just put it all together, put all the potatoes in, and then I pour the sauce over it after and just kind of mix it up, and I don't see that it makes a big difference. For the sauce, you want to melt your butter. Once butter is melted, you add your onions and you just cook them until they're translucent. You also add garlic to it, and my garlic press is a Pampered Chef garlic press. When my onions are almost ready, I add some salt and pepper. And then I cook it a little bit longer. And when they're ready, I add my flour and just coat all the onions with it. Once it had cooked for about a minute, I will be adding some milk now and whisking it all the time.
Longing for this day for a full year now. Can hardly believe it's here. Been trying to make the days go faster.
Once the milk comes to a nice rolling boil, I add my cheese and cook it until it's melted. Here it is with the cheese all melted. And I just cook it until it's heated through.
But now the years passed and I don't have to wait no more. It's Christmas Day. Christmas.
Once my sauce is ready, I add it to the potatoes.
Christmas, Christmas Day. I'm sneaking down the stairs to where our tree is at to see what Santa Claus.
I cover the potatoes with some tin foil and put it in the oven for 20 minutes.
I wonder if it's what I thought. Oh, it's Christmas Day. Christmas Day.
Then I take the potatoes out 20 minutes later and shred some cheese on it. This is the way I do it. You can shred the cheese right at the beginning and leave it uncovered to cook. I just prefer it this way.
Like life was pulling my leg, the days gone snailing by, slower than ever before.
I do cover my potatoes again and back into the oven, and then about last 15 minutes of cooking I take the tin foil off.
And I don't have to wait no more. Have to wait no more. It's Christmas Day. Christmas Day.
Here they are, nice and golden, the way I like it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I post recipes a couple times a month, so make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss out any new recipes that come out. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.